Good morning, student. Today, I'm going to teach about light, and this is the second chapter of Science, Primary 4, Quarter 4. And I'm Miss Novelina is going to teach now. The objective for today's lesson is students will be able to explain how does light travel. What is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see all the things around us. Plants are able to prepare their own food using sunlight, so they can do photosynthesis. What is light? Light arrives on our planet after a speed trip from the Sun 149 million kilometers or 93 million miles away. Light travels at 186,000 miles or 300,000 km per second. So the light you're seeing now was still tucked away in the sun about 8 minutes ago. Light is a kind of energy. But why does light make this journey at all? As you probably know, the sun is a nuclear fireball spewing energy in all directions. The light that we see is simply the one part of the energy that the sun makes that our eyes can detect. The energy travels in the form of waves. The main source of light on the earth is the sun. Most natural light floods into our world from the sun. What types of objects can we see? Some other objects also give out light. They are known as luminous objects. They are such as candle, bulb, and lamp. Meanwhile, objects that do not give out light are known as non-luminous objects. They are such as table, cloth, and bag. Types of non-luminous objects. There are three types. First, transparent objects are objects that allow light to pass through them, such as clear glass and water. Second, opaque objects are objects that do not allow light to pass through them, such as wood and stone. Third, translucent objects are objects that allow some light to pass through them, such as cloth and paper. How does light travel? Light travels in straight line. Each straight path is called a light ray. Many light rays can form a light beam. As you can see from the picture, a torchlight only can pass through some cards through the holes. How does light travel? When we observe the surface of the ocean, we notice that water travels in the form of waves. Light is also a type of wave. Like water waves, light waves can have different lengths. We say that they have different wavelengths. So, how can we see? In order to see, the eyes must receive light, and darkness is the absence of light. We are able to see the object because the light reflects, and this reflected light is what becomes a mirror image in our eyes. We can see sunlight falls into the flower, and then the flower reflects the sunlight in all directions. Some direction sunlight reflected by flower enters into our eyes. Thank you. That's all for today. We're going to continue our lesson in Edmodo. See you.